to start it. I'll start it, then you nail it. Okay, let's start it.
Get it all the way in there.
Try your right hand now.
Seen the kids last night.
Oh, there you go.
Use it with the right hand?
Going in. Going in. Good job.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of work to be a construction worker.
That's why you gotta drink milk.
Milk will get your arms stronger.
Just drink. Yeah. When you drink milk, the nails come right in.
You want me to try it?
Is it the hammer? Maybe you
I used to do all retarded.
Well, you gotta start them out so they got a challenge.
Oh.
There you go. Look at Daddy's hammer.
It's right here, honey.
One shot.
Nice. That's called Hammerschlagel or something.
Okay, watch.
Put your safety goggles on.
Oh, you know what? It would be harder if the tip of that hammer was like the pointy kind.
Did it just come? Here. No, it didn't break. It just slipped. Put your hat back on. Safe. Thank you.
This is so heavy.
This is how it's supposed to come out, honey. It's right. It's just adjusted.
Hammerschlagen. What's it called?
Hammerschlagen or something. But you use a sledgehammer, but the pointy tip of it.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
That would be nearly
Oh,
impossible.
there's fluorescent lights in here. Right.
Yeah, Ann was complaining all night about the brightness of every bar when she was.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, the Red Bull seems a lot brighter than everything. Wow, the bowling alley. Yeah, that's reopened, huh? The Red Bull reopened.
No, it's closed.
Oh, God, yeah, it was closed for a couple of years.
What?
Yeah, is it now Zilke's?
Yeah.
By like the Zilke family?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the one down there with South.
Yeah, right across the street.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was closed for a while.
Yeah, they went bankrupt right now.
Yeah.
They were looking at
So that was when you
How does that one come on? Daddy, how does that come on?
like this.
No, I was surprised. I came by there. Oh, shit, just the other. I was probably open for a while. I mean, I don't know now.
You want to measure some stuff?
I came by there this past week and the fire.
Where's that hammer? Here. I'll start this
Well, I
out.
guess it was, yeah.
One there, and one over here. Put it back on.
That's pretty much what
You want to see it? They're the same. Okay, I want to see you pull this out with the pliers now.
That's their second thing.
Okay.
Pull that out with the pliers. Grab the end of it.
This is a mouthful.
Good job.
You speed it off, then
Clamp it with just the end.
boom, float.
They yank it out.
Yeah,
And then we get on that.
it's the right idea.
After you get your tire,
Grab the end of it there.
and you go over with that, and
The
the
tip.
brake
Oh,
will
now you
cement
can
up
just
the
use your
top.
hand. That's perfect too.
Here,
You can finish it.
I got your safety goggles back.
Yeah.
He is
This
jazzed.
for about 20 years.
He's
He's
jazzed.
jazzed up on this.
Okay, and I think
What do you need, honey?
the goggles bother his chin, I think.
Oh, you want the goggles off?
Or just put them behind his neck.
No, he said no.
Oh, he wants them on. Okay.
This was your
Wait, it's hot in here. Woo. You want them up or off?
Well, we can use them.
I will.
6 foot. Yeah.
That great big metal under there?
Yeah, 6 foot. Well, we got 3 of them. They screw together so you can do all 18 feet. Yeah.
So impressed, buddy.
And this is what comes with it.
Okay, you want to level it?
This is
See if
when you want to adjust the pitch.
Oh, sorry.